guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be a what I got my kids for Christmas. If you don't know, I'm Tiffany and I have 4 kids. I have 3 boys and then a baby girl. And yeah, so I want to share with you guys what I got them for Christmas, maybe help you guys out with some ideas on what to get your kids, if your kids are similar to mine and into what my kids are into. So I'll share with you guys by each child. So I'll start with my youngest, my baby girl, and her birthday is actually this month. So I guess you can kind of say that some of this stuff is her birthday gifts, except she's gonna get everything on Christmas. Yeah, so anyways, so first what I got her is this little baby shark. It's actually a bath toy, and then it activates like in water, so I think it like swims and it sings the baby shark do that song. So yeah, I got her this because she doesn't really have any bath toys. Like I'm constantly have to go into my what am I trying to say? Into the toy room. That's not what we call it. The toy room. The spare room. What do we call it? Whatever. I'm constantly having to go into our toys, the boys' toys actually, and finding like little things that she can, I could put in the bathtub with her because she has like no bath toys. So I bought her this, and I also bought her this other little baby shark. It's like a phone because babies like and kids are just always wanting to like play with your phone. So I bought this. It looks like a phone, and then it plays like numbers and sounds and the baby shark song and like different songs and things. So yeah, I got her this, and I can't remember where I got these from. This one is from either Target or Walmart, I think, and this is also from Target or Walmart. I'm not sure. I can't remember where these ones. So I'll try to remember where I got a lot of stuff from, so I can share with you guys in case you are wondering and want to find it. Next thing I got her was a baby alive, because I feel like every little girl should have like a baby doll. So I got her this one. She has one, but and she like carries it around and stuff, but and it's not really like this. It doesn't have any hair. It doesn't have any clothes. So I got her this one, and I feel like it kind of looks like her. So yeah, I feel like she will love this. It's got 2 little pigtails, and this I ordered from Target. You might be able to find one in stores, but my store didn't have it, so I had to order this one online. The next thing that I got for her is this little Scoop and Learn ice cream set. And it's a leapfrog game, and I think on here it says the age limit is like 3 or something like that, but I read the reviews on it, and I saw a lot of them were saying that it was good for like toddlers, and it's like a learning thing because you can scoop the ice cream and it tells you like the colors, it tells you how many scoops to put on. So I thought this was perfect for her. It's like a little ice cream cart. Got this from Target. I know they also sell it at Kohl's and Walmart. I think I got it on Black Friday, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe before then. It was on sale. So yeah, I thought this was so cute. It counts and does numbers, and it also has like little cards, so I can show her the card and say, you know, make this ice cream. Obviously maybe not now, but like as she gets older, and then she can copy the card and do it just like it. So I thought this is amazing for her. The next thing that I got for her is a little kitchen. I was going to show you this first, but I have to tell you what I got first before I show you this, because then it won't make any sense. But I got her little kitchen. I'll insert a picture of it somewhere on the screen. I ordered this kitchen from the company. It's called KidCraft, and that was the only one that I could find that was pink and gold, because her room is like a pink and gold theme. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. I actually was gonna buy one from IKEA and like redo it and paint it myself, but I ended up finding that one. So yeah, I ordered that for her, and the box is over there. I have to put it together. I know it's probably gonna take me forever. I'm sure my husband's gonna help me, but yeah, I got her a little play kitchen because she's always in my kitchen in my pots and pans and stuff, so figured I should get her that to, you know, have a little play set. I also bought her these cookware playset stuff, like little pots and pans for her. It has also like a little spatula and cookware and stuff like that. And I think I might spray paint these gold, or like make them gold some type of way so that it matches her kitchen set, but we'll see. But you have to follow me on my vlog channel to see how it turns out and everything. I also got her this little couch that I'm gonna insert on the screen somewhere as well. And all of my kids had this little couch when they were younger. They like watch TV on it and take naps on it. It's like you could sit on it like a little couch, and then you can also like pull it out and she can lay on it like a little bed. So I got that for her, and I'm gonna see if my neighbor can put her name on it. Ordered that on Walmart. Next thing I got her was this little tiny vanity toy because she's always in my makeup, and so I thought this was perfect for her. I got this from Walmart, and I think it was like $10 or something like that. It was pretty. It wasn't expensive at all. So it's got like a little lipstick and nail polish, perfume, like everything. So now when I'm doing my makeup, she can play in hers. Next thing I got her was this little mini toy. I got this because if you go to Walgreens, you can find some really good deals on toys, and I got a lot of Carter's toys from there as well. And so I think there was like you can get 2 for $6 or 2 for $10. I don't know, but I know all of the toys that I got from there were between $5 and $10. So this was one of the I think buy 2 or buy 3 deal. So yeah, I got her this little mini car. And then lastly, this is another bath toy that I got for her. This is a mini toy. It was cheaper than $6.99, I know for a fact. I think this might have been a part of the deal. Anyway, it's like a little basketball hoop. She can throw stuff. It goes on to the bathtub. But yeah, that's all that I got for her. Now I'll move on to Carter stuff. Carter is, how old is Carter? Carter is 4. And yeah, so I got him this little Captain America car because Captain America is his character. It's funny because when we were in Nickelodeon Resort, somebody asked him, they were like, so who's your favorite Nickelodeon character? And he goes, Captain America. But he obviously doesn't know that Captain America is not part of Nickelodeon. But anyways, got him this one from Walgreens. It was a deal. I want to say it was like $6 from Walgreens. Definitely check them out. All right, next thing that I got him is this Woody toy because he has Buzz Lightyear, and they have been into Toy Story lately, and so I wanted to get him the Woody one because he has the Buzz already and didn't have Woody. This one came from Walmart. Next, I got him this Ryan toy. I know if you have kids, I'm pretty sure, and they watch YouTube, I'm pretty sure you probably know who Ryan is. Ryan Toys Review. He has like a line at Walmart and Target of toys, and it's like surprise mystery eggs. You open it up and it has like, I don't know, puzzles and stickers and tattoos and putty and different stuff. So I got him this for it. They have the big ones too. He doesn't need the big one. Got him this one. Next, I got him this Spider-Man toy because he likes Spider-Man, and I'm actually really wilding out because he's upstairs right now. You could probably hear him. He's doing the cha-cha slide on the TV. Anyways, got him this Spider-Man toy. Came from Walgreens. It was one of the inexpensive toys, but he'll love it. Next, I got him this little Lego set. I think this came from Walmart. They're all into Legos, and this is one that he can do. It's easy for his age. I know a lot of the Lego sets come with like millions of pieces, but this one he can do by himself. And again, he likes Toy Story, and it's a little Toy Story figurine. Lastly, he is really into monster trucks and Hot Wheels, but he has enough Hot Wheels. So his favorite, I guess, monster truck thing is Gravedigger. So I got him this Gravedigger. It's like his big toy, Gravedigger slash, I guess it's kind of like Hot Wheels too because it has like the track and ramp and everything. So he's gonna be really excited about this. Like this is his favorite monster jam truck thing. Carter, go pee and then lay down, okay? And then also what I want to get him, which I can't show because I don't have it, Monster Jam is coming to our city in January, so I want to get tickets for him and actually take him to go see Gravedigger. So we're probably going to do that too. All right, now moving on to, I guess I'll do Jaden's toys since his stuff is right here. The big thing that I got him is a Nintendo Switch Lite. They have a Nintendo Switch, but it's mainly Chancey's, I feel like. So I got Jaden his own so that they don't have to fight over it and they can, play games at the same time if they want to. If Chance wants to play one game, Jaden can play this one. So yeah, got him this. Next, I got him, he's really into Dragon Ball Z. So I got him a Dragon Ball Heroes World Mission, I don't know, Nintendo Switch game for the Nintendo. And of course, they will share all of the games and everything, but this is, what he'll be able to open on Christmas because this is what he's into. Then I got him a case for his game. Looks like this. This came from Target. Oh, I forgot to share with you guys a story about this game. Crazy story. So I went to Target on Black Friday and I had bought, a bunch of stuff. And then once I left Target, I was like thinking about my price. Everything got scanned and I was like, my price doesn't seem right. So I looked at my receipt and I saw that they did not scan this Nintendo Switch. Like, it wasn't on there. And I was just like, oh my gosh, like I got this for free. Like it was driving me crazy, like eating me up inside. So I went back, not to the same Target because it was further. So I went to a different Target and I told the lady, I was like, hey look, they didn't scan my Nintendo Switch. Can I pay for it here? And she was like, wow, that was a big miss. And it is, because a Nintendo Switch is pretty pricey. So yeah, it was insane. But I did go back and I did pay for it. Anyways, next thing I got for him are these. I told you guys he's into Dragon Ball Z. I got him these 2 little figurines. Gogeta. I don't think that's how you say it. Gohan and whoever this is. I know it's not Gogeta, but I forgot. I don't know how you're supposed to say it. Anyway, he's into these figurines, so got him these ones. From Walgreens, these were part of, I think these were buy one get one half off. These are a little bit more pricey. These were the most expensive toys that I got from Walgreens. I think one was $19 and then the other one was $10. Next, I got him this little Pokemon. He loves Legos and not Roblox, but Mega Construction. So I got him this to put together. He loves Pokemon, and he has enough Pokemon cards, so this is the next best thing with Pokemon. Lastly, I actually got all 3 of the boys this Fortnite gun, but the other 2 are upstairs. I just didn't bring them down. But they all got this Fortnite Nerf gun. All right, lastly, we've got Chansey's. His big thing was the Switch, or not the Switch, but what are these controllers, Joy-Cons, because his broke, so he's been asking for a new pair. So I got him these ones from Target. I got him the different color ones, the neon and blue. Okay. Next, he got a game for his Switch. He loves Super Mario, Luigi, and this is, I guess, I don't know if it's a new game or not, but he doesn't have this one. It's Luigi's Mansion. This is what he asked for. So he got this. He also got some Uno cards, because during Thanksgiving, he saw us playing Uno and we played with him and he loved the game. So I got him a Super Mario themed Uno card game. And I got this one off of Amazon. So he'll love that to play with Jaden and me and Carter, whoever else. Fun. I also got him a new blanket because his old blanket is like a little rundown, so he needs a new one. So I bought him this Mario plush blanket. Then he said, oh, and I got this one, where did I get this one? From Target, online on Target. Then he also wanted a new plush Mario, and he had like a little one, but I don't know what happened to it. I think he accidentally lost it when we were in Florida, and so he said that he wanted a new one, and so I ordered one online thinking that it was a small one like the one that he had, and realized that it was big. I was like, oh my gosh, that is a big Mario. I guess the picture made me think that it was smaller than it was, so hopefully he'll like it. I think it has like a little compartment or something that you could put stuff in here. I don't know, but hopefully he'll like this big ol' Mario. Then I got him this Fortnite toy. He likes Fortnite. He says Drift is one of his favorite characters. So I ordered this one from, where did I get this from? Amazon. I know Kohl's also had it, so if your kids if you want this, you can search on Kohl's as well. Then I got him a Lamborghini toy because he keeps saying that he wants a Lamborghini, and obviously he can't drive and he's not getting a real Lamborghini, so I bought him this little Lamborghini toy. The doors open up, the trunk and everything, whatever, opens up. So, and red is his favorite color, so I got him this thing. And then lastly, he loves FGE TV on YouTube. He's a huge fan of them, and they also have a line at Target. And so he was like, I remember one day he asked me, he said, can we go to Target and get some FGE TV toys? And I was like, no sir. But anyways, I ended up buying this for him. It's kind of like the Ryan's toy. It's got a bunch of different things inside of it. I don't know, squishy figure, flashlight stickers, a bunch of stuff. So this is what I got for him. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I can't remember if I have any other orders coming in for them. I want to say that that's it. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some ideas on what to get your kids. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.